Here, in this, you will understand the various roles of a banker: advising bank, negotiating bank, confirming bank.
Welcome again. GLS is now going for another topic: LC, BG and DPG, all MCQs, very important MCQs. Let's go one by one. LC issuing bank is also called the importers bank or the opening bank, the advising bank or the confirming bank, the negotiating bank or the nominated bank, or the reimbursement bank. Answer is A, that LC issuing bank is importers bank or the opening bank. Next question. The right to receive payment under letter of credit or the right to draw bills on a letter of credit is vested in the opener of LC, issuing bank only, buyer only, all the three parties. Answer is C, the buyer only. Next question. The advising bank responsibility is to inform the issuing bank as to whom to issue the letter of credit, to advise the buyer the dispatch of documents by the seller, to inform the beneficiary seller about the letter of credit. D choice, none of the above. The answer is C, is to inform the beneficiary or seller about the letter of credit. The advising bank is also called the confirming, notifying or reimbursing bank, or none of these. Answer is B, notifying bank. Next question. Negotiating bank is the bank which negotiates the preliminary contract of sale between the buyer and the seller, makes payment of bills drawn by the seller and accept documents, guarantees payment by the issuing bank, none of the above. The answer is B, makes payment of the bills drawn by the seller and accept the documents. When the LC specifies the bank that is to negotiate the bills drawn under LC, then the bank is also called confirming bank, reimbursing bank, nominated bank, none of the above. The answer is C, nominated bank. The confirming bank is the issuing bank when it confirms the issue of LC, the negotiating bank when it confirms the negotiation of the bills, the advising bank when it confirms the LC, and choice D, none of the above. The answer is C, that is the confirming bank is the advising bank when it confirms the LC. When the confirming bank confirms the credit, it doesn't take any liability, undertakes on its part of the liability under LC, undertakes to make timely delivery of the documents and bills to the buyer or his bank. D, none of the above. The answer is B, that is when the confirming bank confirms the credit, it undertakes on its part the liability under the LC. Reimbursing bank is the bank that reimburses the seller, that reimburses the negotiating and paying or a confirming bank, that reimburses the buyer on the goods being found defective, none of the above. The answer is B, that is reimbursing bank is a bank that reimburses the negotiating, paying or confirming bank. Next question on LCBG DPG continues. Ordinary letter of credit are usually, that is the bills drawn thereunder, have to be paid immediately. Site credits, red clause, green clause, irrevocable. Answer is A, that is site credits. Letter of credit under which user's bill can be drawn is called an acceptance of credits, red clause, green clause, irrevocable. Answer is A, that is acceptable credits. In revocable LC, the credit can be amended or cancelled by issuing bank, negotiating bank, advising bank, D, confirming bank. It can be done by issuing bank. We go to the next question now. Only dash letters of credit can be confirmed. Irrevocable, red clause, green clause, all of the above. Answer is A, irrevocable. Credit in which the beneficiary is not liable for the bills drawn thereunder is dash credit. Without recourse, with recourse, red clause, green clause. Answer is A, that is without recourse credit. Back-to-back credit would involve at least dash bank with the dash bank, the bank and the bank. So we are looking at three places here. So 3 issuing advising third party, 2nd issuing advising third party, 1st issuing advising third party, 4th issuing advising third party. Bit complicated, try to understand. The answer is A, that is back-to-back credit would involve at least 3 banks with the issuing, advising and third party bank. Invoice of letter of credit, let's look at true or false. Invoice in letter of credit transaction is document similar to a quotation based on which the buyer places his order. True or false? Yes, it's a totally false statement. Another question on same basis. A letter of credit is form of guarantee given by the banks on behalf of its customer. True or false? It's true. Letter of credit are bills of exchange drawn by a seller on a buyer. True or false? Answer is B, false. Remember to have look at the contents of letter of credit so that all these questions can be easily answered. Next, LCs are negotiable instruments. True or false? Obviously it is false. All parties to letter of credit transaction need to comply with the terms only as far as practical and not strictly. True or false? False. In case of documents submitted by seller do not comply with the letter of credit, then the same can be accepted subject to confirmation of a buyer. True or false? False. Transferable LC can be transferred only once, twice, thrice, no limit. Answer is A, that is only once. Letter of credit is on balance sheet item when bank sanctions LC limit to customer. True or false? It's false. In a deferred payment guarantee, the guarantee is to ensure delivery of goods. True or false? False. A deferred payment guarantee is mostly based on primary contract between the buyer and the seller. Answer A, true. A request to all of you, whatever answers which are coming up, true or false, all true statements, please pay attention. A deferred payment guarantee differs from other kinds of guarantees issued by a bank as regards payment liability of bank on invocation. True or false? Answer is B, false. In a deferred payment guarantee, the bank's liability comes into existence only if all the installments are not paid and not on the non-payment of one installment by the customer. The answer is totally false. In a contract of guarantee, there is a party or parties. 1, 2, 3, any number. Answer is C, there are 3 parties. That concludes this session. Thank you.